100% soft cotton crew neck short sleeve t-shirts with hilarious novelty designs for guys pull-on style, machine washable 100% cotton, washable in a machine. If you're a muscle man, you should get a size higher because the length is a little on the tiny side. 100% cotton, comfy, and soft fabric for men's t-shirts. High-quality fabric, using cutting-edge thermal transfer technology to print men's graphic t-shirts of the highest caliber. Men's graphic t-shirts that are strong, cozy, light, and breathable fit well on all body types. Daily use, you can wear these fashionable t-shirts every day or to formal occasions. Beach activities, running, sports like football or baseball, exercising, or housework. Work as a women's t-shirt as well as a men's t-shirt. Amazing gift ideas. A graphic t-shirt is the ideal present. Whether it's for a buddy or for you, these t-shirts are excellent for any present, whether you prefer to be ironic or are seeking for a novelty tee. These can be excellent presents for a friend's birthday, Christmas, Father's Day, welcome home, graduation, and return to school. T-shirts that are stylish and long-lasting are appropriate for wearing all year long, at parties, and while watching movies. Fit of shirt washing guidelines, cold machine wash with similar colors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.